This goes out to the Casares family in Pennsylvania, and most specifically to Mr. Jake Casares. It is your 5th birthday, and it's a very special occasion here in our home. So before we do the rest of the presentation, I will introduce you to your tío, your uncle. His name is Noah.
Hey Jack, my name's Noah, and I'm your uncle. It's my saxophone. Chicks dig it. Remember that.
Okay, sage advice. Your other relative on camera is your tía, Miss Elena Esperanza Casares de la Luz. Take it away.
Hiya, Jake. You know, someone once told me to imagine what it's like to be a deer. You know, imagine you're walking through the woods, doing deer things, just being as cute as possible, and you get a little thirsty, so you walk up to a creek, and you put your cute little deer lips to the cool, cool water, and then out of nowhere, BAM! You get your head blown off. But anyway, we made this video to wish you a happy birthday. Hope it's a good one.
Okay, and now we're going to do our musical number. You guys ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, hit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jack.
Jake!
Jake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jake. We love you.